I wanted to give a message for you to let you know you're about to watch Gaming with me. Hold on, guys. I was summoned. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, guys. No. Where should we go? We'll go transportation. Edward. Gordon, James, Henry, Emily. Oh my god, I couldn't have tell who was who. Where's the hello? It's not a turntable. It's Jamis. Hello? Why is Jamis's Tinder not connected? Not very nice. There we go, now it's connected. This is supposedly by the creator of ttte guy. Oh, no sound. Ah! Why are we going so fast? Ow! Myself! James. It's James. You know what, we're just gonna retry. No one's playing this, by the way, so it's okay if I just leave engines. I think. I don't think anybody's playing, at least. I didn't see anybody playing. Oh, there's someone else playing. Anyway, we're gonna go head back to the sheds. With their newfound knowledge that James goes incredibly fast for no reason. Okay. There once was a dude that went to sea, and the name of his ship was ttte guy, 'cause one knew da gumpamidari punyaki kuna. I feel like I said something really bad. Gordon is supposedly the fastest. So we're gonna. I want to see his face variants if you can change his face. Oh, there's faces for him. I'm gonna click to go fast. Fast. Gotta be fast tonight, 'cause why not? What are these buttons do? No auto turning. Whoa. Do you hear the whistle? 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 Oh my god, it's ttte guy. Whee. Well, I saw the other person. Oh, it's Edward. Oh, bonk. Okay. Cries. The only one that doesn't seem to have problems is James. Dude. James is the. How do you respawn engine? Oh, like that. Somebody has to be the face. Somebody has to be the favorite. Somebody has to be the one. Somebody has to be better than the rest. That somebody has to be me. That somebody has to be me. That somebody has to be me. I don't care if that wasn't accurate at all. I don't care about, like... Can I not? Okay, there we go. I don't know why the tenders just don't come coupled. Somebody has to be the favorite. Somebody has to be the one. Somebody has to be better than the rest. Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down, James, slow down. This island has... Ooh, who is you? You is Ryan. Ryan's toy review. Ah! Skirt, 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 skirt. Skirt. Alright. Why does bro have to copy me? Somebody has to be the one. Somebody has to be better than the rest. Somebody has to be me. Somebody has to be the... Hopefully that Ryan doesn't get in the way. That's the wrong number. Somebody has to be the favorite. Somebody has to be the one. Somebody has to be... Ah! Somebody has to be Ryan. No. Can Somebody has to be the favorite. Somebody has to be the one. Somebody has to be better than the rest. Somebody's gonna be me. That someone's gonna be me. That... I don't know what's that way. Thomas once saw Terrence the detective. Oh, I can steal an engine. Oh, hello? I mean, hey, yeah. Oh, please. Now I'm all by myself. Now I'm all... Oh. Hi. Oh, they're cars. Why are they cars? Oh, it's a race. Oh, it's soccer. Oh, it's soccer. Delete soccer ball. I delete the soccer ball. Spawn in the soccer ball. Oh, I guess you can't delete it or else it breaks. Why are you able to play soccer ball? Hey! How do I... Oh, Tom! Well, worth bust the they go eh. I'm on the complete opposite side of the world. The Wellworth, I think. Milk. What is this? Oh, it's a racetrack. I want to go to the racetrack. I want to go. I think I want to, you know what, I'll just go in jumps. Get crashed. Edible laboo-boos. That's what I want. Is an edible laboo-boo. Oh, there's no way. I'm leaving. Alright, we're gonna play this game now. Because, why not? I played this game a little bit. Just a little bit, guys. We're gonna get an Alfred. This is Alfred. Hey, this guy's with me. This guy, hey, get this guy. Okay, I don't think he's in here. So, all you gotta do is just hold forward when you play this game. So yeah, oh yeah, also there's brake physics. You see that? That was steam. They're not perfect, by the way. So we're just gonna, so this is like, is it going down now? I think it's like slightly going down. Also, I'm just being dumb. Oh no, it's definitely going down. I think it looks a little bit slanted now. Oh yeah, we're definitely going down. Not at the fastest rate, though. Yeah, we were. So, we're about to go up a hill now. But we're going so fast that it looks that the rods are going, the side rods are going backwards. Alright, we're starting to break up on the top of the hill. A little bit broken. What the Flying Scotsman? Anyway. Oh boy, I wonder why we stopped right here. We can get in speed pretty fast. Oh look, here's a signal post so we can switch lines if the odds are in our favor. Yippee! Yippee! The odds were in our favor. It's getting a little bit glitchy. Alright, we're going down. Oh no. Oh no, we gotta brake before we gain too much speed and turn a corner and we die. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Ah. Yeah, this game's way too glitchy right now for some reason. So I think that's why we're gonna leave up the video. Oh, so eepy. Oh, did I not click that?